So a very good day to all of you. So today we are looking at how to run the Node.js container. So I will be getting back to my prompt. You can see, I'm trying to pull the image from the Docker Hub. And as you already understand by now, if I'm not explicitly giving the tag as latest, whatever the image that resides in the Docker Hub with the tag latest will be getting pulled by default, right? So this is what is happening. So for example, if I go here, I'm just trying to list all the images. You can see that I have got this particular image residing in my local host, right? And you can see the size somewhere around 1 gig. So let me clear my screen. So now, for example, if I run, let's say this particular container, so you probably know by this time what is going to happen. So for example, docker ps minus a. So as you would normally know, if there is no process which is running as of now within the container will be getting terminated, right? You can see that has happened 6 seconds ago, right? So okay, so if I again clear my screen, so now let's run this particular container in the interactive mode. So for example, I will be using the flags I and T and node once again, so this time you can see that I have gotten inside the environment. And so for example, if I let's say three. So we are just trying to check whether whatever the input we are giving to the Node.js interpreter, whether it is working as expected or not. So you can see that it is working as expected. Similarly, if I really want to use the help function, you can see that it is working as intended. If I come out of it, so for example, this is what we really wanted to show. So for example, now I will be exiting out of this particular container because so this is what we really want to cover in this particular demonstration, how you can run the Node.js container, right? Thank you.